Wouldn't it be fun to delight your child with some special Valentine treats this year? We're going to learn in this video how to make marshmallow pops, pop hearts, which are homemade Pop-Tarts that are shaped like hearts, and colorful heart toast. Let's start with heart toast. To make heart toast, all you need is bread, a heart-shaped cookie cutter, food coloring, milk, and a pastry brush. Use your cookie cutter to make a heart shape in the bread. Choose a color of food coloring and put a drop in your milk. Stir it with your pastry brush and make sure that it's the color that you're looking for. Spread a thin coat of the milk mixture onto your bread. I love that pink color. I'm ready to try some more colors. These are the colors I chose. From here, I put them in the oven on broil. I broiled the first side for 2 minutes and then checked them every minute after that. I just wanted them crispy, but I didn't want them browning so they could keep their color. I did the same thing on the other side. This is what they ended up looking like. They look just about the same as when I put them in, but they are crispy now. Let's make some homemade Pop-Tarts in the shape of hearts. We'll call them Pop Hearts. The inside has a jelly filling. To make Pop Hearts instead of Pop-Tarts, you need pie crusts, a favorite jam or jelly for filling. I use strawberry. An egg to do an egg wash over the pastry. Vanilla for the icing, because what Pop Heart would be complete without icing? The icing also needs confectioner's sugar, milk, and a heart-shaped cookie cutter. Roll out your pie crust on parchment paper, use heart-shaped cookie cutters, and cut out the hearts. Spoon your jelly or jam into the middle of the heart. Be careful not to put too much on it so that it doesn't ooze out of the pastry. Crack your egg in a bowl and beat it up. You're going to use this for an egg wash on your pastry. Spread some of the egg wash with your pastry brush around the jelly onto the edges of the dough. Take another heart cutout and put it on top of your dough filled with jelly. Pinch the sides together and then crimp them with a fork. Spread egg wash all over this dough, including the tops and the sides. Slip a knife under the dough in order to move it onto your baking sheet. I put parchment paper on top of my baking sheet. Here are the ones I made ready to go in the oven. I poked holes in the top of them with a fork so that the air can come out as they bake. The oven should be at 400 degrees and you'll bake them for between 12 and 15 minutes. I started checking them after 10 minutes just to be sure. This is what mine looked like after I took them out of the oven. I'm going to let them cool before I ice them. Now I'll show you how I made the icing. I added 2 tablespoons of milk, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla, and a cup of powdered sugar. I mixed it all together. Of course, you may need to add more confectioner's sugar if it's too liquidy, or more milk if it's not liquidy enough. Get it the consistency that you like. I put red into the white icing to make pink icing, and then I went ahead and iced my Pop Hearts. What a special breakfast treat! Let's learn how to make some Valentine marshmallow pops. need straws or lollipop sticks, large marshmallows, white melting chocolate, you can use this kind or the white wafers, sprinkles, and food coloring. Make a slit in the marshmallow with a sharp knife and insert a straw into it. I did this 6 times. Then put them in the freezer for 5 to 10 minutes so they'll be firm enough to use. Melt your chocolate according to the package directions and then put in the colors you want. I decided to have a bowl with pink and a bowl with white. Dip your frozen marshmallow into your white chocolate and cover it as much as you want. It can harden pretty quickly, so go ahead and put it in the sprinkles and cover it however you would like. Doesn't that look pretty? The white chocolate hardened pretty quickly, but while it was drying, I set it up in a cup. Then I set to work making 5 more of these pops. I wanted to make them in different varieties. Voila! This is how my pops turned out. Wouldn't your child be thrilled to get something like this? I hope you enjoy making these treats, but even more than that, I hope you enjoy the smiles that you're going to get because you did. Happy Valentine's Day.